Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about liability insurance. Liability insurance is a part of general insurance system of risk financing to protect the purchaser from the risks of liabilities imposed by lawsuits and similar claims and protects the insured if the purchaser is sued for claims that come within the coverage of the insurance policy. Originally, individual companies that faced a common peril formed a group and created self-help fund out which to pay compensation should any member incur loss. The modern system relies on dedicated carriers, usually for profit, to offer protection against specified perils in consideration of a premium. Liability insurance is designed to offer specific protection against third-party insurance claims. Payment is not typically made to be insured, but rather to be someone suffering loss who is not party to the insurance contract. In general, damage caused intentionally as well as contractual liability are not covered under liability insurance policies. When claim is made, the insurance carrier has a duty to defend the insured. The legal costs of defense normally do not affect policy limits unless the policy expressly states otherwise. This default rule is useful because defense costs tend to soar when cases go to trial. In many cases, the defense portion of policy is actually more valuable than the insurance, as in complicated cases. The cost of defending the case might be more than the amount being claimed, especially in so-called nuisance cases where the insured must be defended even though no liability is ever brought to trial. Commercial liability is an important segment for the insurance industry with a premium income of 160 billion USD in 2013. It is accounted for 10% of global non-premium life of premium of USD 550 billion or 20% of global commercial lines premium. Okay, while the share of global non-premium the US was 79%. The US is far by the largest market with 51% of the global liability premiums written in 2013. It is due to the size of US economy and high penetration of liability insurance, 0.5 percentage of GDP. In 2013, the US businesses spent USD 84 billion on commercial liability covers, of which USD 50 million was on general liability, including USD 12 million for errors and omissions, and USD 5.4 billion for directors and officers. USD businesses spent another USD 13 billion on the liability portion of commercial multi-peril policies, USD 9.5 billion for medical malpractice, and USD 3 billion for product liability coverage. The UK is the world's second largest market for liability insurance with USD 9.9 billion of liability premium in 2013. The largest subline of business is public and product liability. This is followed by professional indemnity and equalized liability. There has been a significant shift in the sub-segments of UK liability insurance. In the last decade, the share of professional indemnity has increased from about 14% to 32%, highlighting the shift towards more services-driven economy. Manufacturing, meanwhile, comprises a lower share of liability claims as accidents related to injuries and property damages have been declined. In continental Europe, the largest liability insurance markets are Germany, France, Italy, and Spain.